Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Chevy Blazer Premier in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, lane keep assist, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90376A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.